Hello everyone. Today our topic is cooperation mechanism in multi-agent system. Let's go to our topic, table of content. In our topic, here are introduction, why cooperation is needed, key characteristics, key characteristics of cooperation, cooperation mechanism overview, direct communication, contract net protocol, coalition formation, distributed planning, game theoretic cooperation, market-based operation, and communication protocols, trust and reputation in cooperation, conflict resolution mechanisms, applications of cooperation in multi system, case studies, future directions, and conclusions are there. Introduction to multi-agent system. Multi-agent system is a collection of multiple autonomous agents that interact with each other and with their environment to achieve specific goals. Each agent is a system acts independently, pres- perceives its surroundings, make decisions, and performs actions to fulfill its objectives. However, these agents often need to coordinate and cooperate with others to solve complex problems. They are beyond the capability of a single agent. Multi-agent system is a collection of autonomous agents interacting within an environment. Importance of multi-agent system is distributed problem solving, scalability, and robustness. Examples: self-driving cars, swarm robotics, and trading bots. And why cooperation is needed in multi-agent system? Achieve tasks impossible for single agent, reduce computational load, enhance adaptability in dynamic environments. Examples are co- coordinated disaster rescue and multi-robot exploration. Cooperation helps in reducing redundancy, improving performance, and ensuring reliability in dynamic environments. Characteristics of cooperation in multi-agent systems. First one is shared goal and mutual dependency. Second one, communication and negotiation. And third one is trust and reputation, conflict resolution, and cooperation mechanism. Direct communication, coalition, game theoretic cooperation, contract net protocol, distributed planning, market-based cooperation are important in multi-agent systems. Direct communication. Direct communication in multi-agent system is simplest and most common cooperation mechanism in multi-agent system. In this method, agents exchange messages directly with each other to share information, coordinate actions, or negotiate decisions. It enables fast and clear communication without the need the intermediates or complex structures. Here is the diagram. Contract net protocol sequence. The manager initiates call for proposals and manager accepts best proposals. Here is the diagram, and constructors submit proposals and final task reporting. And seventh one is a coalition formation process. First block is a group creation. Agents come together to form a coalition. Second one is a resource sharing. Agents pool their resource for collective benefit. And third one is a collective action. Agents work together to achieve a common goal. Distributed distributed planning. Plan merging, distributed constraint satisfaction. And first one is a agent plan individually, then integrate plans. And second one is important is techniques. And third one examples. Examples are plan merging, distributed constraint satisfaction. Game theoretic cooperation. Game theoretic cooperation applies mathematical framework to guide agents in multi-agent systems to make strategic choices, balancing their individual rewards with collective benefits. Common scenarios are such as the integrated prisoner's dilemma and stag hunt illustrate how rational agents decide between cooperation. Here shown in figure. First, agent evaluate choices and goes to the flop matrices and they goes to cooperation versus defection. And there are two types, group reward outcomes and individual reward outcomes. And last one is a Nash equilibrium, market-based cooperation in multi-agent system. In market, agent resource changes, decentralized negotiation, dynamic, and then all are going to the market-based cooperation. And there are three types: bidding, task allocation, resource optimization. In bidding, process of offering process in auctions. And task allocation is assignment of tasks based on bids. And third one, resource optimization, efficient use of resources. And learning based cooperation. In learning based cooperation, agents individually or jointly learn policies that govern their behavior using reinforcement learning algorithms like multi-agent soft actor critique or other methods. This learnings audits all allows agents to balance cooperation and competition, adapt strategies over time. And second one is a multi-agent and they agents adapt strategies over time. And examples of learning based cooperation is Alpha Star or StarCraft and communication protocols. And here is the figure shows the communication protocols, building blocks of multi-agent communication. And in this figure, there are five blocks. First is message syntax, second one is semantics, third one error handling, security features, and adaptive communication. Communication protocol in multi-agent systems define the rules and standards that govern how autonomous agents exchange information and coordinate their actions efficiently. These protocols specify syntax, semantics, and fragments to ensure clear and effective communications. Trust and reputation in cooperation. Trust and cooperation pyramid. Trust is a fundamental component in multi-agent systems that influences how agents decide to cooperate and interact reliably. Since agents are autonomous and often self-interacted, trust mechanisms reduce uncertainty about others' behaviors, enabling effective collaboration even in dynamic and decentralized environments. A mechanism conflict resolution mechanism in multi-agent system manage disagreements that arise due to competing goals, resource contention, or inconsistent information among autonomous agents. These mechanisms employ strategies like negotiation, mediation, arbitration, voting, and consensus algorithms to reach mutually acceptable solutions while maintaining system functionality. Negotiation involves agents exchanging, exchanging proposals and counter-proposals to find common ground, whereas mediation involves the third party to help resolve disputes. Here, negotiation is going through to mediation, and mediation is going to arbitration, and they are going to voting based consensus. Application of cooperation in multi-agent system. First application is robotics, and this is very important. Some drones rescue robots. Second one is a transportation. Transportation means autonomous traffic management. Third one, economics. Economics is a automated trading agent. And healthcare. Healthcare is a multi-agent diagnosis systems. And last one is a defense military simulation surveillance. And case study of swarm robotics and inspired coordination is exchanged with the distributed exploration and mapping. And it is a self-organization without control. Case study of smart grid systems. First one is a power agent cooperative for load balancing, efficient energy trading among microgrids. And third one is reduces power outage risk. And challenges in cooperation. There are several challenges. First, trust and reliability. Second one is communication overhead. Third one, uncertainty in dynamic environments and scalability with thousands of agents. And fourth one is importance. Future directions. In future, explainable cognition in AI, blockchain-based cooperation mechanisms. Third, human agent collaboration. And fourth one, large-scale decentralized AI ecosystems. And our conclusion of our topic is multi-agent systems represent a powerful paradigm for solving complex distributed problems through the cooperation of autonomous agents. Effective coordination and cooperation mechanisms such as contract net protocol, coalition formation, market-based approaches, game theoretic strategies, and distributed planning. And our last topic is references. VG multi-agent system, a modern approach to distributed AI. And Jennings, Sikrake, Woolbridge M. A roadmap of agent researches. Thank you.